How you doing? I'm Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. Today I want to talk about this monster. It is the Snap-on half-inch drive, be-all end-all CT9075 half-inch drive impact wrench. It's their newest one. It's brushless. It comes with lithium battery packs. I've been thinking about pulling the trigger on this for a while now. It finally made sense last week because it's expensive. It's just under $1,000, but in my situation it was worth it. I was cleaning out one of my older toolboxes and I realized I had a bunch of older Snap-on 12-volt NiCad stuff. So it was 3 or 4 different, I had half-inch impact gun, 3/8 impact gun, 1/4-inch impact gun. I had a drill, I had the entire set. Then I had batteries and chargers to go with it. Had it for a while. I really don't use it. I use my newer stuff. And the battery packs were $150 each. And it was to the point where 6 of them needed to be replaced. So I only had one good working battery pack. So I called my Snap-on guy. Matt always takes care of me. So instead of spending $900 replacing batteries on older NiCad stuff, he gave me $400 credit on my older stuff towards the purchase of the new one. And then just the batteries that come with these are $249 each. Comes with 2 battery packs. And then it comes with this cool charger that does one of the 18-volt lithium battery packs. And then it also does the smaller 14-volt or 12-volt battery packs. So at the same time, also gives you a USB charger to charge your phone. So it just made sense because I needed another battery to go with my other 18-volt stuff. So this set comes with 2 batteries. So just in this set, the batteries are worth just about $500. The credit he gave me of $400 and something, it was a no-brainer. I traded in my older stuff. Now all my stuff is current. Everything I have is 18-volt lithium and 14-volt lithium from Snap-on. And then I have my M12 stuff from Makita and M18. So without the trade-in, I wouldn't have done it. I wasn't going to spend $1,000 on an impact gun that I'm barely going to use. We're a car audio shop. We don't really change rims and tires. But when we do have to remove rims, rusted bolts, this thing's got 900 foot-pounds of torque. That's crazy. I have air-powered guns that don't have that much torque. So it's got some really cool features. It's really heavy, so it's not something I'll be using all the time. But in the back, it's got a dial, so if you see the LED indicators, it lets you dial back the power settings, so you can go gentle, 100 and something foot-pounds of torque, half power, or beast mode, 900 foot-pounds of torque. Super rugged. I got over 10 years out of my older stuff, so if I get 10 years out of this, it's worth it. It's not for everybody, I'm sure, but if you have older stuff and your Snap-on guy is willing to work with you like mine is, then maybe it'll make it more affordable and it'll make it make sense to you. But it was a great deal for me. I got rid of stuff I wasn't using, got me half credit towards something I'm going to use all the time, and it also got me the battery packs that I started using the same day. So hope you have a good relationship with your Snap-on guy like I have with mine, and hope this helps somebody out. See you next week.